Hey there. Today we'll try to understand two new functions, which is an advanced version towards days 360 or date diff that we have earlier seen in my videos. So what network days does is it gives you the difference between two dates in terms of working days. So it excludes the weekend, which is Saturday and Sunday from the calculations. Yes, to get the days. Now let's understand from the calendar. Suppose I am calculating, trying to find the number of days between 1st of January 2024 to 31st of January 2024. Yes. Now, if I try to get the days between these 2 days, so if I want to know the days between the 2 days, as we have seen our earlier formula, so I need to get the end date and I need to get the start date. So this gives me 30 days. This is between these 2 days. Yeah. But if I try to get the network days, now is equal to the formula for this is network days. Here you are. Open the brackets, then you add the start date, comma, end date, comma. Now, the holidays are optional. You can add holidays as well so that it gives you the number of net working days. So this is net, it is not network days, it is net work day. So this is excluding Saturday and Sunday. And if you add holidays, then it will exclude the holidays as well. I'll show you how it happens. So first of all, let me just exclude the holidays first, and we just see what is the difference between the start date and end date for January. By days, we got 30 days. But by network days, we got 23 days. Why? Because in January, we had how many Saturdays and Sundays between these two dates was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So total of 8 Saturdays and Sundays got cancelled from these two dates and we got 23 days. So this is how network days work. So it uh, excludes the Saturdays and Sundays from your calculation. Yes. And it also excludes the holidays. Now, how do you exclude the holidays? Suppose I have on 10th, I have a holiday. Let me see if it's a Saturday or Sunday. The 10th is not a Saturday. I'm checking my calendar. Just give me 1 minute. Okay. 10th is not a Saturday. It's a Wednesday. And 17th. So suppose I have 2 days, which is a holiday in my office. 10th and 17th. Yeah. Now you will find that as soon as I select the holidays as well. So this is an optional parameter. You can see in the formula. So I'm selecting the holiday days that I have created here. So I've selected, you will see that it has got selected here G17 to G18. If I have more holidays, I'll select more. Yeah. And I press enter, it will give me 21 days. So it has excluded the holidays as well. Yeah. So what network days does is it gives you the difference between your start date to end date, excluding your Saturdays and Sundays and your holidays. Now this is the formula that I use more often. More often because it helps me to calculate the exact uh, productivity of a salesperson when he is on the field. Yeah, he will never work on Saturdays or Sundays. Yeah, he may work he may work on Saturdays, but usually companies have off on Saturdays and Sundays. So I would rather exclude those Saturdays, Sundays, while calculating the productivity so that I can get the exact productivity because it is. I'll show you how. Suppose he has done 100 accounts in a month. And if I try to calculate the productivity based on days, I'll have to divide 100 by number of 30 days. But if you see, he has not actually worked for 30 days. He has worked only for 21 days because there were holidays, there were Saturdays and Sundays. So what I'll do, I actually need the days which were excluding holidays and excluding Saturdays and Sundays on the weekend days. Yeah. So this gives me his exact productivity that is giving five, almost approximate 5 accounts per day, which is much higher than 3 accounts per day. So you can understand why it is required. Yeah. Now let's understand. I hope this is very clear so that I can move with the next concept. Now, the next concept is net work days international. Now, what it does? Now it returns the number of networking days between the two dates that I have given or the 2 periods that I have given, excluding the specified weekend days and holidays. Okay. Now, when I say specified, uh, and if I try to compare network days, now network days assume that the weekends are on Saturdays and Sunday. Now we see a lot of organizations where like hotels or customer service industries or there could be real estate industries who work on Sunday, but their weekends are on odd days like Monday, Tuesday. Yeah. So for that, we'll use Network Days International. Yeah, because this helps you to customize the weekends as well and holidays as well. Yeah. So Network Days, we were able to customize only the holidays, but in Network Days International will give you help you to customize your weekend as well. How we do that? So let's understand it. So the formula remains the same. So it's equal to network days. I'll select network days international. This is the formula. Here you will see you have to specify the start date. You have to specify the end date. You have to specify the weekend and the holidays. So previously we didn't have the weekend option in our network days. Yes. So this is the major difference. Whereas the entire formula remains the same. So suppose I just select the start date and the end date. Okay, I'll just select the formula once again. Open brackets, then I'll select start date, comma, then I'll select the end date. And if I press enter, it will again give me the same thing that we saw in my previous formula when we didn't add the holidays. Yes, I'll just exclude the holidays once again. Yes, so it was 23 when I didn't. So the formula remains the same. Now, suppose I include the holidays in the network days, it gives me 21. Let's see if it gives the same result in network days international. So I include the holidays. Oh, I have created the right thing. Oh, I need to give the weekend. So the week, I'll say nothing in the weekend. So, okay, I need to specify the weekend. So for weekend, what you can do is you can specify the weekend. How do you do that? There are two methods of specifying the weekend. So either you specify it by a string method or you specify it by a number method. Now how do you specify it by string method? Now string method, you have to specify 7 days. So we have 7 days in a week. So you have to open the brackets. 0 means it's a holiday. 0, 0, 0. This is for, sorry. So it starts from, so the first number starts from Monday and the last number is for Sunday. So if I specify 0, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7 zeros for 7 days and a double quote. So 0 means a holiday and 1 means it's a working day. Yeah. No, sorry, you have to use it opposite. So it is 1 means that the day is a weekend and 0 means it's a work day. Yeah, so it's opposite. That's what I have told earlier. So 0 specifies work day, 1 means weekend. So, and the first 0 starts on Monday and the last 0 ends on Sunday. So if I say I want a holiday on Monday, so I will specify this first 0 as 1. Yeah, and I'll press enter. Yeah, so it is saying it has 24 days. So the weekend is calculated on Monday. So there are 4 Mondays in a month. Yeah, and these 2 holidays. So total 6. So out of 30, this 30, he has deducted 6 days and it is 24 days. Very clear? So this is string method where the one that is specified wherever you specify is the day on which it will be a weekend. So if I have to keep it on Tuesday, so I'll keep the Monday as 0 and I'll remove the 0 from Tuesday and keep it as 1. So the second one would be 1. Subsequent would be zeros because that would be work day. So if I have to make it the normal as well Saturday, keeping the Saturday, Sunday as weekend. So I'll specify 2 times 1 here. So the Saturday and Sunday are weekend. So it will give me the same result it was giving me before. Clear? Now there is another method of specifying this weekend, which is number method. This method of specifying weekend by zeros and one is called string method. Now, if I have to specify it by ways of number method, then you will specify 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. Now, what does 1 mean? 1 means Saturday and Sunday are weekends. 2 means Sunday and Monday are weekends. 3 means Monday and Tuesday are weekends. Yes. So it will select that particular day as your weekend based on the combination that you select. So suppose I keep 1, 1. I'm taking the day as 1, 1. So it will be Sunday. If I take it as 1, 2, it will be Monday. Yeah. So till 1, 7. So 1, 7 is Saturday. So how it will specify is, so if I select 1, it would be Monday would be considered, Saturday and Sunday would be considered as holiday. Saturday and Sunday. 2 would be considered as Sunday and Monday. Yes. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So and so forth. You know how to fill a particular cells in Excel. So you need to take your cursor here at the point blank here till you get a plus mark, and then you have to drag it. So you got this day. So if I specify 1, the Saturday, Sunday would be considered as weekend. 2, Sunday, Monday would be considered as weekend. Here, Monday, Tuesday would be considered as weekend. I'm sorry, this is something wrong on Monday, Tuesday and Wednesday. Okay, I have to specify this one. Wednesday and Thursday. So do this. What am I doing? Am I doing something wrong? Tuesday and Wednesday, Sunday, Monday. Yes, I'm doing it right, but why am I not getting dragged till the end? Okay, it is done right now. Okay, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. Okay. Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Yes. So this is how the field would be. 2, it will be considered Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. Now, if I specify 1, 1, it will take only 1 day. That is Sunday. Yeah. If I specify 1, 2, it will take Monday and so on. So 1, 3 would be 4, 1, 5, 1, 6, and 1, 6, and 1, 7. Yes. So this is how it will be considered when you put the weekends to be. Yeah. So if I specify instead of this string method, if I just specify 1, 1, then it will consider only Sunday as the holiday. So 4 Sundays. Yeah. So accordingly, it will stitch this. Yeah. So pretty clear. So it is an advanced function to days 360 or date div because it helps you to more, it helps in a better way to customize your weekends, your holidays. Yeah. And it gives you more control on how to calculate your working days when you're calculating productivity for your sales team. Yes. So I hope this helps you and you'll be able to use it in a lot of your projects. Yes. So what network days does is it returns the number of network days between two provided days. Yes. Same way, network days international, it gives you more flexibility on your weekend. So it returns the number of net working days between two provided days, excluding specified weekends, weekdays, and holidays both. Whereas network days help you to specify only holidays. Yes. Thank you so much.